Hello, I'm Ashritha. I did my master's in counseling psychology in Madras University. So I currently work as a student counselor in one of the schools, and I came across Dr. Chinu's basic CBT class through LinkedIn. I've been following Dr. Chinu for months prior to actually coming across this post about basic CBT. And initially, yes, I did learn about CBT in university, but it was more of concepts. And the first class with Dr. Chinu was enough to blow me out. And I immediately started looking at Feeling Minds YouTube videos in which Dr. Chinu explains so many concepts. And I feel it's a sin for me to know that without paying anything because it's filled with so much of information. And after that, it has been a continuous learning journey. And after attending Feeling Minds basic CBT class, I feel more confident to take this learning forward. And one of the things that I absolutely loved about all the sessions is that ma'am gives us a chance to interact with our peers. So that adds more to our knowledge. And another thing that I've noticed is doctors, like she breaks down concepts so effortlessly and she connects the concepts so seamlessly that you understand the concept down to the roots. So regarding recommendation, I have already recommended ma'am to my friends, and it's like there's no doubt anyone who attends one class of Dr. Chinu ma'am will definitely keep going to ma'am to learn more and more courses. So I don't think there should be any fear in your mind. Like you can trust the Google reviews, you can trust any review regarding Dr. Chinu ma'am, and you can go ahead with that.